everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I have a Born Pretty store review for you of these beautiful items. I have a stamping plate and some Chameleon crystals. These are gorgeous, guys. I wanted you to see how they come in this, protected in this plastic. So I'm gonna go, I have not taken this wheel out of here, but look at the colors. And yes, we're gonna take a close look, but I see blues here and purples, greens and golds, and some what is this, like purple and gold. Gorgeous. And then I also have a stamping plate, which I've already yes, well, I had to take it out of here because I couldn't remember what the signs, so I broke the seal, but they do come with the seal here, like this. As you can see that I've already broken it, and this is L003. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. And as always, you can see that they come with a blue protective film, which you must remove prior to using it. But check out those images. I love these, and I especially love these for pointed nails. Maybe oval, pointed, stilettos, anything, you know. I think these are gorgeous, going right up and down the center of the nails. So that's what made me fall in love with this plate. This is an interesting design because, you know, I don't know that I will put it like that. Obviously that's not going to fit over no matter how wide your nail is, that's not going to fit, but I think it'll be pretty, maybe along the thumb. But check this out. So I'm going to go ahead and do some swatches with this stamping plate today. On my nails right now, I have, again, this is going to be on another review for Madam Glam swatches of my newest collection. I have 5 new polishes from Madam Glam's, but this purple lilac, it's one of their one step called, it's the lavender verbena, or yes, lavender verbena, if I'm pronouncing that right. That's my base, and let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so here it is, you guys. Beautiful. Oh, these gems. So these are just, they're little plastic crystals, but look at that chameleon shifting in those. don't have anything like this, so I was very much looking forward to that. And I'm gonna go ahead and remove the film from the stamping plate. I don't know about you guys, but taking the films out of these plates and taking a look at it, seeing them brand new, doesn't that look gorgeous? I mean, because it's so hard, you know, once you start using them, even though no matter how much you clean them, you'll never get them this shiny again. But let's go ahead and get started with the, I will go ahead and get started with the swatches, and then I'll move on to a nail design that I like to do with this stamping plate and the stones. Okay, so here's some of the swatches that I tried, and oh my gosh, those fine lines, check it out. Look how deep, are so delicate. That's one of the things that attracted me to this plate, you guys. Look at that. That is so pretty. I probably did about every other image from the top and bottom row, and that one from the center that goes across, but I mean, you can use it any way. That is so precious. And so yeah, you see that there's flowers and there's some butterflies and the arrows, just such delicate designs. Okay, so yeah, there's no doubt this is a very good quality plate. Oh, by the way, I will have the links down in the description bar below in my 10% discount for Born Pretty store. I'm gonna go ahead and start with a tutorial for my nails, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so here's the final result of this beautiful manicure. I think it turned out quite whimsical, don't you think? I mean, those images, yeah, they're quite whimsical images in there. So I hope you guys like this. If you guys have any questions about any of these items or the tutorial, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me these beautiful items to play with and review. I hope you guys liked my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.